We made it through one of the coldest nights for us ever. This was a record for us, 28 degrees. And all we had was one comforter and then a thin blanket on top of that. And we made it. Wasn't that bad. I gave away my buddy heater because I didn't think I would need it. And the last time I used it was when we were in California and it was 44 degrees and that was cold. And we used that because Diggy was shivering in the van. So put that on for him. But last night, or this morning, early this morning, it got to 24. It read 28, but then it said on the report it was like 24. So that was the coldest that we've been through so far. And I believe 32 is freezing, but nothing was frozen. Everything was good. And then by 10 o'clock, everything warmed up. Had our coffee and got ready to go into town. And we went into town today. That's why I got my professional shirt on. Just got some groceries. Picked up some packages from Amazon. And filled out some forms for general delivery so we can have our mail from where we started out back there to up here. I'm just waiting on one email letting me know that I got some mail, and then we're gonna have everything forwarded up. And that's all you gotta do when you're living on the road. If you need to get your mail wherever you're staying, go to the main post office and fill out the form for general delivery. And all you do is write your name, general delivery, and then that post office zip code. And you're good for 30 days now. Last year, we were good for the season. So I'm gonna try to get everything that I usually get mailed wired so we don't have to deal with mail. I have had stuff wired to me before, so it works out. So that's the update for today. 28 degrees, feels like 24. Made it through with a blanket. It wasn't that bad. And the car hesitated a little bit to start this morning because the temperatures were so low. But it started and we made it out. And we got back here and somebody had to get towed out. They had a school bus and we're here at the top of this mountain. I don't know how that tow truck got up here, but they had to have their school bus towed out of here. That's gotta suck. Probably cost a pretty penny too. And then where do you sleep? I guess you get a hotel. All right, just testing out my new stupid selfie stick here. And I think it works. Oh, I found some 9mm shell casings here. Where'd they go? I just saw them here. But people are allowed to shoot up here, so it's not really a crime. All right. Until something else exciting happens. See you on the next one.